Hi guys, welcome to my art channel. Hope you're all well. Thanks for being here. So we have some new pigments to show you today. I think they're being released the beginning of December from the Fluid Art Company. That's not one of them. That's TLP Sequins, that's Interference Violet. It's one of their existing ones, but the second pigment I'll show you is one of the new ones. Honeycomb, that's one of the new ones, and it's gorgeous, so shimmery. That's really going to pop with all kinds of colour combos. TLP Mermaid, one of the existing colours, and this is another new one, Deja Vu. Look at that, I love that one with honeycomb together. And that's Amsterdam Greenish Blue. And you can now buy your Amsterdam paints from the Fluid Art Company too. And that's another Amsterdam, but this one is the Expert series. I've not used the Expert series before. They have a few different colours to the standard range. That one's Permanent Red Violet Opaque. So be careful with opaques that you don't put them on top of your pigments because it can drown them out. Iridescent Precious Gold, if you do, just lightly drizzle it. And this is another TLP, one of the new pigments, Bellini, and I'm using this one as a background. As the name suggests, it's peachy gold. And my cell activators today are Atelier Rich Gold and Atelier Pastel Mist, mixed with Amsterdam Light Rose, both mixed with just Australian Floetrol, approximately 2 to 2.5 parts Floetrol to 1 part paint. And my palette knives are from Fluid Art Company too. And the release date for these pigments, I believe, is beginning of December. I don't think there's an actual date as yet. It will be revealed in the group. If you join the Little Piggy Facebook group, you'll be able to see all the colours that Shelley's revealed, because there's 8 in total, 8 new colours, so you'll be able to see them in the group. And if you'd like a 15% discount off Shelley's e-course, Bloom course, my discount code is on the screen right now, and also all the details will be in the description box below. So let's get messy.
Never been so strong with anyone. Never been this sure I found the one. Never felt this safe with anyone. Finally found a place where I belong. But now I wonder what is wrong, what's on your troubled mind. There's one thing I want you to know. If I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better if I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter? Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was, and suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. If I told you that I don't know where I'm going, don't know what to say, but I go without knowing. If I told you that I don't know what to believe in, don't know how to pray, but I pray anyway. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too. That you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too. That you're the only one for me, and I'm the only one for you. If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper.
Oh, I'm so happy with this one. Look at these colours. I love these new pigments, TLP Pigments. Look at that background, that Bellini. So pretty together. I hope you like it. If you do, please hit that like button. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please subscribe, it's free, and then you'll know when I put out a new video. And please share, and you'll find everything listed in the description box below. Click on the video title and it will open up if you're on your computer or if you're on your phone. You can't do that from your TV. And any questions, just ask in the comment section below. I'm always happy to answer. And thanks for being here with me. I really appreciate you all. Everybody take care. Stay safe. See you next time. Bye guys.